How to customize settings in Google Voice. First of all, open your browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account linked to your Google Voice number. Once you are logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. In settings, you will see various sections. Start with the account section where you can manage linked numbers and review your Google Voice number. Next, check the message section to customize message notification, enable email alerts, and adjust how conversations are displayed. In the calls section, you can turn on call forwarding, enable call screening, and even update your voicemail greeting. Under voicemail, you can record or change greetings and turn on voicemail transcriptions. Go to web notification if you would like to get alerts directly in your browser whenever you receive calls or messages. In the payment section, you can add credit for international calls and review your payment history. The security section helps you manage blocked numbers and keep your account safe. Under accessibility, you will find features designed to make Google Voice easier to use for everyone. In privacy and terms section, you can review Google's policies and settings related to your account data. Take your time exploring each of these options so you can set up Google Voice the way you want. Now you know how to customize settings in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.